Hey everyone! In this video, let's explore the Transform tab in Power Query Editor, where most of your data shaping magic happens. First, you can change the data type, like converting text to numbers or dates. Use Detect Data Type to let Power BI automatically pick the right format. You can rename columns, and under Text column, you'll find tools to format, extract, split, or trim your text. Next, the number column section gives you math tools like standard calculations, rounding, trigonometry, and more. With date and time column, you can extract parts of dates like year or month or calculate durations. At the end, you'll see Run R script and Run Python script, perfect for advanced analytics. We'll cover each feature step by step in upcoming videos. Stay tuned and let's transform your data like a pro.